Hello everyone! In this video I will walk you through the integration section inside your DirectoryEasy dashboard. This is where you can connect external services that make your directory smarter, more automated, and of course more powerful. Let us begin with the AI Assistant Hub. This feature allows your directory to generate content using artificial intelligence. You can connect different providers, choose your preferred models, and monitor your AI credits. During your free trial, you will see the number of remaining generations. For example, you might see 8 credits left. These credits use premium API keys without needing any setup on your side. Inside the Configure AI Providers area, you can connect OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google. OpenAI provides GPT models for general and versatile content generation, and Anthropic provides Claude models that are excellent for reasoning and creative tasks. And finally, Google provides Gemini models that can handle multi-modal content with large content support. And by the way, we are planning to add the Striker or OpenRouter, which will grant you access to more than 200 AI models. It supports also smart cost optimization, intelligent model selection, and yeah, it has a better performance and reliability. So for each provider, you only need to enter your API key. It will be stored securely. After that, you can pick which model you want to set as your default. When everything is ready, click Save Configuration, and the AI features will active across your directory, and which will allow you to do two essential tasks. The first one is generate directory categories, headline and tagline for you, and the second one is generating content for your listings. Let's move to the next integration. It's the ScreenshotOne. This feature allows your directory to automatically capture clean and high quality screenshots of websites whenever users add the new listings. At first, the feature is inactive. To enable it, enter your ScreenshotOne access key and secret key. Then turn on the option to enable screenshot capture. And once activated, your directory will automatically fetch screenshots for listings that include the website URLs. And after entering the keys, click Save Configuration. And remember that your directory works normally without this feature, but enabling it gives your listings a more professional visual appearance. Now let's look at webhooks. This section allows your system to receive real-time notifications whenever something happens inside your directory. To set one up, click Create Webhook and fill in the details. Give the webhook a name, add the endpoint URL where you want to receive the requests. You can also add a short description if needed. Then choose which events you want to be notified about. This can include listing events like listing.created or listing.published, user signups, or payment events. You will also need to set a webhook secret to your systems, so your system can verify that requests are truly coming from DirectoryEasy. We have also some optional settings like timeout, retry attempt, and retry delay, which helps make your integration more reliable. When an event occurs, DirectoryEasy sends a post request with a JSON payload that contains all event details, and each request includes a signature header so you can verify authenticity. There are a few best practices you can follow. For example, always verifying the signature. You can use idempotency to avoid processing duplicates. Also respond within 5 seconds. You can use HTTPS for better security. Next is the Google Sheets integration, which is currently in beta. This integration allows you to sync your directory listings with a Google Sheet in real time. And once you are connected, you have access to this overview section, which displays the Google account connected, the auto sync status. It's disabled now. You can enable it from the settings tab, and the status of our account is of course connected. Well, what you want to do right now is create a template we click create a template, and once it's created, now we will have access to the connected spreadsheet. Before opening the spreadsheet, let's push 2 sheets, which will basically retrieve all the listings inside our platform and put it inside our Google Sheets and sync them. As you can see, these are all the listings we have on our inside our directory. Now let's try creating new listings, because many people prefer to add listings through their Google Sheets and not deal directly with the platforms. Okay, let's pick some name, new restaurant 2, to avoid duplication. We'll just change the name or the title and the slug and description to save some time, and that's it. And when we are done, of course, we want this newly added listings to appear on our directory, so we want to pull the newly added listings from Google Sheets to our platforms. And to do that, we simply click pull from sheets. We just click pull from sheets so that our 2 systems are synced. As you can see, the new restaurant 2 is added right now. Now let's try the opposite way. Let's delete some listings. Now we want to sync the Google Sheets with our platforms. What we want to do is click push to sheets. Let's now push to sheets the newly updated listings, or listings inside our platform. We push that new status or new state, our directory new state, we push it to our Google Sheets, and it's successfully updated. As you can see, all the listings have been successfully deleted. In the sync settings area, you can choose whether the sync is 1-way or 2-way, and you can enable auto sync to run every 2 hours. If you ever need to remove the integration, the danger zone allows you to disconnect Google Sheets. And this action, of course, cannot be done. In this part, I will walk you through the media upload integration. You can use our default upload service or connect your own S3 or Cloudinary credentials if you want unlimited uploads and full control over your limits. In this example, I already have my custom S3 configuration active. You can see that the provider status is set to custom with unlimited uploads, a 5 MB size limit per file, and a maximum of 10 files. Inside the configuration panel, you can choose your upload service. You can switch between S3 and Cloudinary, and this feature is completely optional. The default service works perfectly even if you choose not to set anything up. If I were to keep my default system, the maximum size, I think it's 1 MB, and I can upload up to 3 images. This whole integration was introduced because some users they like to have more control over the limits. They want to let their users upload more than 3 images, and of course upload more higher image qualities, as for the uploading images using a URL, the default is 10 always, because it doesn't consume any resources anyway. And once everything is set, your configuration is saved and ready to use. Your directory will now handle media uploads through your chosen provider with the limits you selected. And that's it. This completes the media upload integration, and of course you can move on when your images are stored exactly the way you want. I think that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.